Dominic, we deal with customers every day that ask questions of us or our facility. You know, in your mind, what are some of the best questions a customer can ask their shop?
One of the best questions I like to be asked is how familiar we are with a particular vehicle, uh, the brand or that particular model. Because as a repair facility, we've chosen to practice an OEM type repair. Um, our collaboration with the manufacturer and our relationship is very much one that would benefit the consumer because of our knowledge base
Right.
on that particular brand or that particular model. And as these vehicles are becoming more technologically advanced, this will become much more a very pertinent question.
You're right. I'm going to change gears a little bit. I think, for us, one of the things that we love to be asked is what insurance company do you recommend? Right. And so many times that may be asked, during a repair or even after a repair is completed, based on the experience that client's had with the carrier
Right.
that handled that claim. So, as a shop, we love to be able to give clients recommendations for companies that are going to take care of them when they have a claim and do the right thing and ensure that their vehicle is repaired properly and pay for those repairs.
Well said. Another question that I think is very important in today's repair scenario is how are my safety systems going to be restored? And there, for us as a repair facility, we utilize our dealership relationship. We also have in-house diagnostics that we perform, and we also have a relationship with a mobile company that comes in. So we do offer a few different ways of restoring those safety systems or making sure that they're properly calibrated.
Right. And I think that's going to become even more important as the safety inspection components become more in depth and more thorough from manufacturer to
Absolutely.
manufacturer. I think another really important one is, does it matter that the estimates are different? And maybe this is an estimate from shop to shop or a shop estimate versus an insurance carrier estimate. I think it's a great question consumers can ask because ultimately there may be things that your shop has identified that the manufacturer requires that another estimate may not have,
Yep.
right? And so, don't always look at estimate price, look at thoroughness of the estimate and the shop's ability to explain why there may be differences, from that estimate, because it can really shed a lot of light on, the education level of your shop and how comfortable they are identifying those differences and answering those questions and going through that process with you as a consumer.
Definitely, that's our opportunity to exemplify to the potential consumer or our guest what our knowledge base is and how we actually approach the repair.
Right. One that I think I wish I was asked more, I think you would agree too, is what should I look for in my repair shop, right? And I think that just gives us the opportunity to discuss what differentiates repair shops, right? What types of parts are being utilized in the repair? Is that shop following all the manufacturer recommended repair procedure? Is that shop going to be an advocate for me through the repair process?
Absolutely.
Those are the things as a consumer. I wish they would ask us because I feel like we could kind of identify those things that they need to look for. And if you can find a shop that meets several of those things, I think you can feel confident knowing you're going to get a really good repair and somebody that's going to help walk you through that process and really look out for your best interest as part of that claims process.
Well said.
If you found today's tip helpful, please hit that thumbs up button and share the video with your family and friends. Comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by the Society of Collision Repair Specialists. SCRS and their members are committed to the future of the collision repair industry and serving you, the consumer, well. For more information, visit scrs.com or use the link in the description below.